people of Station District. Hi! Hello! Hep hep! Hooray! Saan ka punta? Road trip! Wow, what an energy! Thank you so much. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be proof that we will always be part of what you call society. I am currently taking my bachelor's degree in tourism management in one of the most prestigious universities in our province, the Finmayupang College of Urdaneta. I am also currently working as an account specialist in one of the most competitive BPO company in the Philippines, Majorel, now Teleperformance in Clark, Pampanga. To our distinguished and honorable panel of judges, ma'am, sir, and to all of our audience tonight, magandang gabi po. I am ML Venus Tukay, but for this evening, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, ang babaeng nagpainit ng Disyembre ng social media, ang babaeng nagsabing, I'll touch myself na lang. At ang babaeng nagsabing, I missed your body. Ladies and gentlemen, bakit hindi natin sabay-sabay palakpakan Binibining Maris Racal, na patuloy pong naniniwala sa mga kasabihang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa, na kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ang antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan. Meron ka lagi nating tatandaan na lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata, ang panlabas na kaanyuhan, ang kayamanan ay kailanman mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal at kaligayahan na handa mong ibigay sa iyong kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman ay hindi nawawala. Kaya naman ngayong Kapaskuhan, naway pagmamahal at kaligayahan ang mamutawi sa ating lahat. And for this evening, your candidate number 5.